My name is Uffe. I am an ecologist by trade, work at a university, and obviously very keen on sustainability and to make better use of our resources. So I've been looking at getting solar for a while and finally got a house where we can actually put on solar panels. Have been talking to a couple of colleagues at work about their systems, and it all seemed pretty straightforward. Obviously had quite a few different questions to sort of trying to get my head around. I was recommended using Penrith Solar by one of my colleagues, got in touch with Penrith Solar, and had a representative come out and talked it all through, had all those additional questions that had come up during the first conversation, had them sorted out, and it all seemed really easy and signed up immediately. We got an 8.6 kilowatt system. It's meant to cover most of our uses for most of the year, so it'll give a good cut in our energy usage. Didn't go for a battery immediately, but I am looking at getting a slightly bigger system and a battery to sort of make it much more efficient during the winter time as well. When the guys came out to set it up, it was all really easy. It was a little bit noisy, but that's what you expect setting up something like this on your roof. But really, everything was easy. They came, they explained the process. Very little disturbance to us personally, and it's been functioning from day one.